Can I install peel and stick tiles over cracked or chipped ceramic tiles?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing whether you can install peel and stick tiles over cracked or chipped ceramic tiles. If you're looking to give your old tiles a fresh new look without the hassle of removing them, this is the video for you. Let's dive right in.
Assessing the condition of the ceramic tiles.
Before you proceed with installing peel and stick tiles, it's important to assess the condition of your existing ceramic tiles. Take a close look at them and determine the extent of the cracks or chips. Minor hairline cracks or small chips may be suitable for covering with peel and stick tiles, while larger cracks or extensive damage might require alternative solutions.
Preparing the surface.
To ensure the best possible outcome, it's crucial to prepare the surface before applying the peel and stick tiles. Here's what you need to do. 1. Clean the ceramic tiles thoroughly. Remove any dirt, grime, or debris from the surface. You can use a mild detergent and warm water for this purpose. Make sure to dry the tiles completely before proceeding. 2. Fill in the cracks or chips. If you have small cracks or chips, you can use a ceramic filler or epoxy compound to fill them in. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific product you choose. Once filled, allow the compound to dry and sand it down to create a smooth, even surface. 3. Sand the entire surface. Use sandpaper to lightly sand the entire ceramic tile surface. This step helps create a better bond between the peel and stick tiles and the existing ceramic tiles. Be sure to wipe away any dust or debris left from sanding.
Installing peel and stick tiles.
Now that you've prepared the surface, it's time to install the peel and stick tiles. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Measure and plan. Measure the area you want to cover and plan the layout of your peel and stick tiles. It's important to start from a straight, level line to ensure a professional finish. 2. Peel and stick. Peel off the backing of the first tile and carefully place it onto the prepared ceramic tile surface, aligning it with your layout plan. Press firmly to ensure proper adhesion. Repeat this process for each tile, working in small sections at a time. 3. Trimming and fitting. Use a utility knife or sharp scissors to trim the peel and stick tiles as needed to fit around edges, corners, or obstacles. Take your time to achieve clean and precise cuts for a polished look. 4. Smoothing and pressing. Once all the tiles are in place, go over the entire surface with a roller or a flat object to ensure they are securely bonded to the ceramic tiles. Applying even pressure will help eliminate air bubbles and ensure a strong bond. And there you have it. Installing peel and stick tiles over cracked or chipped ceramic tiles is possible, as long as the damage is minimal and the necessary preparation steps are followed. Remember to assess the condition of your tiles, clean and repair them as needed, and properly prepare the surface before applying the peel and stick tiles. With a little bit of effort, you can transform the look of your space in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.